All right, you guys. That's right. Y'all already know who back on the scene. This is the Guru. Back again with another crypto news update with my brand new blue Yeti Nano. That's right. You guys got a new microphone. I still working the tweaks out of it, but it's all good, baby. But look, check this out. This is via the Wall Street Journal. Why does the U.S. government have $5 billion worth of Bitcoin? Let's talk about it. The U.S. government is one of the world's biggest holders of Bitcoin, but it has about 200,000 Bitcoin that was seized from cyber criminals and darknet, aka dark web markets. It is primarily offline and encrypted password protected storage devices known as hardware wallets. They are controlled by the Justice Department, the Internal Revenue Service, and another agency. Like I say, this is readily available. This is via the Wall Street Journal. I'm going to leave a link to this original article in the description below. What the government does with its Bitcoin has long been a topic of interest among crypto traders because any sale could potentially swing prices or cause other ripple effects in the $1 trillion digital asset market. The U.S. had been notoriously slow to convert its stash of Bitcoin into dollars. It isn't hodling, crypto parlance for holding on for dear life and never intending to sell, nor is it wait for Bitcoin to go to the moon so it can sell its holders for a hefty profit. Rather, that big pile of Bitcoin is more of a byproduct of a lengthy legal process than strategic planning. We don't play the market, I guess they're saying. We basically are set by the timing in our process. The director of the IRS Cyber and Forensic Services. Yeah, right. 3 recent seizures alone put more than 200,000 Bitcoin in the government's coffers. Let's see. Even after selling some 20,000, the U.S. holdings are still worth more than $5 billion. The size of the government's total stash is likely much larger. Yet you ain't lying. That's what we know about the $5 billion. That's all what we know about. From seizing illicit Bitcoin to receiving the final order to liquidate the tokens for cash, the legal process can take years. Yeah, right. And the price is going to be going up. They're going to just make it stretch out as long as they can. And all of a sudden, when the price is over 100,000, that's when its case going to end and it's going to be paid out, right? For example, 2016, when crypto exchange Bitfinex was hacked by convicted tech entrepreneur Liechtenstein, Bitcoin was trading around $600. By the time Liechtenstein and his wife Heather Morgan were arrested in 2022, and the Justice Department announced its largest ever seizure of about 95,000 Bitcoin. The token had climbed to about $44,000. Today it's hovering around $27,000. The U.S. government didn't seize any crypto in last year's high-profile collapse of FTX. But it did take over hundreds of millions of dollars in assets, made up mostly of cash and shares of brokerage Robinhood markets. Robinhood bought back the seized shares from the U.S. Marshal Service in August. FTX's crypto assets are part of its bankruptcy estate. The company is expected to eventually use that money to help fill its $8 billion hole in customer funds or reboot the exchange. So basically, this article, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but it's basically saying what we already know. Government sitting on a stash of Bitcoin, but yet they say Bitcoin is not real. It's not real money. It's nothing. So why don't they just destroy it? They holding it. Why they holding it if it's nothing? This is via the Wall Street Journal. I picked up the article on MSN.com. Hey, you guys, the Guru is back. Crypto update. Y'all already know how to do it. This is the Guru. See you on the next one.